I wanted to give some updates on how to prepare best for our workshop, and you can come to these sessions as often as you would like, and it's really your planning space. A little bit about us. We are going to be there to assist you in navigating your options. My name is Hannah Nevitt, and I'm a study abroad advisor. So I love working with students who are perhaps undecided or still navigating options, or if you are interested in some of our study abroad provider programs. I look at programs all day long, so could really help you navigate on some strong options for you. If you are interested in going to Japan or South Korea or interested in any of our exchange programs, we would want you to connect with Dan Lindeman, who is our exchange coordinator. So the awesome thing about exchanges are that they allow you to pay in-state rates for tuition and fees, regardless if you are an out-of-state student or an international student. You can pay in-state rates on all of our exchange programs, and we have them all around the globe. So if you would like to go to the UK, or to Spain, or to Australia, South Korea, Japan, South America, you name it, we have options for you where you're at. In terms of the purpose of this workshop, it really is a space for you to work on your study abroad planning, wherever you're at in your process. Some of you may be still wanting to learn more about program options, how to navigate our website. Some of you might still be deciding on a major and figuring out what type of program might be best for you based on what you've completed. And so others might have already picked a program and you're really wanting help navigating how to find a course catalog or how to find syllabi, or maybe you need help applying for a visa, something like that. So wherever you're at in your process, this is why we created this workshop, because what we found where students were kind of getting bumped back and forth between academic departments and our office, and we really wanted a planning space for you. Some of you might be interested in also looking at your financial aid and budget situation. So we've also will be there to help you navigate your award overview and how to find your award overview and figure out maybe with your budget and financial aid considerations what might be a good fit for you as well. We are not academic advisors, so the only individuals who could tell you what courses will fulfill specific requirements for you are going to be your academic advisors. So another key aspect of this workshop is for you to start developing good course alignments, and so that you're prepared to meet with your academic advisors, bringing to them, hey, I've identified this program, these course alignments, I think they're a good fit, here's the syllabi, so that you can go to your academic advisors really prepared. And you can attend this session as often as you would like. We just ask that you RSVP so that we know you are going to come. Depending on where you're at, some of you might be looking at your DegreeWorks tool in your Web4U, which is a really good starting point for you to identify courses that you still need towards a major or minor, and might help you hone in on some great program options based on that. Some of you might have programs in mind and you're wanting to look at course syllabi and make some alignments. And ideally, you have chosen maybe one or two programs and done some academic alignments, and you have all of your materials so that you're ready to meet with your academic advisor. This is how you access your DegreeWorks. It will be in your Web4U under your student records. Click on DegreeWorks, and even if you haven't declared a major or minor, there is a what if scenario for you to put in potential options, and this will show you exactly what you've taken in the past, what you're currently registered for, and even would give you suggestions on how to fulfill remaining requirements for you. If you're interested in looking at your financial aid budget, this is also in your Web4U. If you click on financial aid, aid by year, the current year, and then click on award overview. And this way you can kind of review your budget, and we can help identify different scholarships you might be eligible for based on your financial aid. You might be willing to explore program options by using our major advising pages. We have several guides on our website that are organized by major that will feature strong options in those fields. You can also create a traveler profile and start doing a match quiz, which will basically give you suggestions based on your parameters, whether they be personal or academic goals. And ideally, you will leave with a game plan so that you can either apply or plan to meet with your academic advisor.